This is Mahima Singh, legal advisor at Dial Easy, and today we'll talk about patent law in India. The Patents Act 1970. The invention of a person can be patented only if the producer and other requirements prescribed in the Patents Act 1970 are fulfilled. The Patent Act 1970 provides a detailed procedure for obtaining a patent, right from the filing of an application to the grant of a patent. The Act also contains provision for right and obligation of the grant of a patent. The Act also contains provision for right and obligation of the patentee, term of the patent, transfer of patent, surrender, revocation and restoration of patent, infringement of patent and remedies thereof. The Act provides for patent protection for a period of 20 years, after which the technology or invention goes to the public domain. So the protection that is given under that is given under Patents Act 1970 is for only 20 years, and after 20 years it gets to public domain. Okay, so as we discussed that the Patents Act 1970 is the patent law in India, and all the provisions like restoration, surrender, revocation of patent है ना, infringement of patent, ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी हमारे इस एक्ट के अंदर दी गई हैं कि कैसे उनका एप्लीकेशन होगा, कैसे रिवोकेशन किया जाएगा आपके पेटेंट का, रिस्टोर कैसे होगा, अगर किसी ने आपके राइट को इन्फ्रिंज किया है तो क्या रेमेडीज हैं, ये जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो आपकी इस एक्ट के अंदर दी गई हैं. ठीक है. So we are going to discuss then with section wise. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos with provisions.